Dr. Haifaa for a while. She a great honor that she came to my house and we discussed many things. And then last year in December, we did Umrah together. So I learned more about Dr. Haifaa, and I've seen Alhamdulillah her activity. I'm very pleased that she is making effort to one of the important things how to teach Islam. Very often we focus on memorizing the Quran, memorizing messages. It's important to memorize things, but more important than that is to understand this religion. That's why Quran can Allah SWT keeps saying that don't you understand. The Prophet when he passed away, Abu Bakr Siddiq gave his speech. And it's a very important speech because Arab tribes were leaving Islam, Ridda happened, Tosi happened, and many people stopped paying zakat. So that time was very dangerous for Islam. Even Umar Khattab said, let's calm down, and Christians settle. Abu Bakr said, no, I'm going to fight all these people. And unless they do what the Prophet has commanded, if anybody leaves any part of Islam, I'm going to fight. And then he said a sentence, is it possible that I remain alive when the deen is being decreased? How that what every believer should think. If deen is not practiced properly, or people don't understand and understand properly, how can I live? People can live without food, but I can't live if there is a problem with the deen. That what should the spirit of living? Master Dr. Haifaa has proven is part of the same line of the reformers, where they always think that my community, the Iman is not there, Islam is not properly there, children don't understand the essentials of Islam, or Iman is not understood properly, Deen has become just a culture and habit. This is not how the prophets and messengers want to teach people. So it is my responsibility to come forward, sacrifice my time, sacrifice my duty, other interests, sacrifice my family, and come forward, spend time to teach Muslims. This is not easy. It is easy for the people to make more money. It is easy for the people to make houses for their family. It is easy for the people to make cars and all those things. But to make effort to prepare people for paradise, to make them to become slaves of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to make them to understand this religion deeply, like Ibrahim alayhi salam, like Musa alayhi salam, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they sacrifice everything. This, whenever people do like that, they are those who are inheritors of the prophets and messengers. So Alhamdulillah, I saw this spirit with Dr. Haifaa when I was with her in Umrah, and now, mashallah, this institute, and I can name is very good, Jannah. So it reminds people, don't make your Jannah this one. Work for hereafter. That's what Quran really is, the life after the death. So Alhamdulillah, we really want everybody else to follow the same thing and make their children to come here and learn this religion with the mind, not only with the habit. Islam should not be habit, rather than it should become part of your mind and part of your spirit and heart. So, Alhamdulillah, really I'm happy that I have this da'wah. Alhamdulillah.
Jazakallah khair for coming, driving all the way, and I reward you, brother Umar.